I'm Mario Pinar from Ritzel Notes, and in this video I want to talk to you about a legal document that often gets overlooked or just quickly rushed through, but plays a critical role in protecting your real estate investments: the property insurance policy. When you're investing in mortgage notes or directly into the real estate, understanding the insurance on the underlying property is essential. A well-structured insurance policy can protect against unexpected damages, minimize financial loss, and help ensure your returns remain stable. So let's start with the lender's interest. If you are the note holder or the lender, it's crucial that your interest is properly reflected in the policy. Make sure you list it as the loss payee or the mortgagee. This gives you a legal right to receive insurance proceeds in the event of a claim. Without this, you could be left out entirely if a loss occurs, even though your investment is at risk. Next, look closely at the coverage adequacy. The policy should ideally cover the full replacement cost of the property, not just the depreciated or current market value. So why is this important? Because if a fire or a flood or other major damage occur, you want to be confident that the insurance will cover the full cost of rebuilding or repair. Underinsured properties can lead to out-of-pocket expenses or delays in restoring value, especially in the distressed note scenarios. Another section that deserves attention is the claim history and the conditions. Reviewing the property's claim history can tell you a lot about the risk profile. Have there been repeated claims for water damage, roof issues, or vandalism? Also, study the conditions under which a claim might be denied. Certain exclusions like vacancy clauses or lack of maintenance can void coverage entirely. As an investor, you need to be aware of those red flags upfront. And let's not forget about the deductibles and the premiums. These numbers directly affect cash flow and risk. A higher deductible might reduce the premium, but could also mean a bigger expense when a claim is made. On the other hand, a lower deductible increases premiums, but offer more protection. It's about finding the right balance for your risk tolerance and your financial strategy. In summary, the property insurance policy isn't just a formality. It's a powerful tool that protects your capital and supports long-term wealth building. At Ritzel Notes, we make it a point to review every policy tied to an asset we invest in, because due diligence leads to smarter, safer investments. Thanks for watching. And if you like to learn more about protecting your real estate investments through note investing, feel free to reach out. I'm Mario Pinar of Ritzel Notes, where we believe in building wealth securely, one note at a time.